Are you looking for a resource to bring plants to life in your classroom? Then check out our Plants Research Project. This all-inclusive, developmentally appropriate, engaging, and fun resource will help your students learn all about plants. All of our research projects include suggested books, videos, includes all of the labels that you need to make graphic organizers, all the recording sheets that can be made into research journals, and it includes math and literacy centers. All of our research projects start with a schema map. Students share their schema. You add new learning as you learn about plants, and at the end of your project, you address misconceptions. All of the learning is done through read-alouds and videos. All of the learning is recorded on graphic organizers. So you have various graphic organizers so that you can record different kinds of learning about plants. We even move beyond the parts of a plant and what plants need, the life cycle of a plant, to talk about how plants help us, how plants are important, and why we need plants. Then all of the learning is recorded in the research journal. All of the recording sheets are included. They're differentiated so that you can meet the needs of all of your students with various recording pages. You're going to pull in vocabulary, not only throughout the entire research project, but you're also going to pull in vocabulary with labeling the parts of a plant. This is a great time to talk about adaptations of plants. You're going to talk about the life cycle of plants, how plants grow, and as you're doing this, you want to plant seeds in your classroom so that your students can see the life cycle of a plant happening. And as part of the research project, you plant the seeds, then you can monitor the growth, and your students can record what's happening to their seeds and their plants in their journals. And as part of our research projects, we do higher order thinking skills. So we read these statements that are included about plants. So plants grow better with music. True or false? That's true. We will learn that in our research project, so it would go under true. If it's false, we put it under false, and then the students have to tell us why it's false. And that helps build in that critical thinking skills, those higher order thinking skills, and we're pulling in a lot of language development as well. Ongoing throughout the research project is vocabulary. We know this is a huge piece of the learning puzzle for our students, so we build our vocabulary chart as we go through the research project. The students come up with the definition, so it's a student-created definition, and the students come up with the picture or pictures to draw for the words. So it's all student-friendly so that students are able to access the vocabulary and use the vocabulary throughout the research project and in conversations. So be sure to check out our Plants Research Project at tksstore.com and on Teachers Pay Teachers.